In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your watch history on Amazon Prime Video. Whether you've been binge watching your favorite series or have a few guilty pleasures you'd rather not display, clearing your watch history can be a useful way to tidy up your account. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to primevideo.com. Go ahead and sign in if you haven't already, using your Amazon account credentials. Just make sure you're on the correct account that you wish to edit. This is the first step in ensuring a smooth process as you access your personal settings. Once you're on the Prime Video homepage, look to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile icon, a small visual representation of your account. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu holds several options related to your account management and viewing settings. Navigating through these options is essential, as it will direct you to the page where you can start clearing your watch history. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Account and Settings. Clicking this will take you to a new page dedicated to managing every detail of your Amazon Prime Video account. This includes your billing details, parental controls, and importantly for us, your watch history. On the Account and Settings page, look for the tab or section that's named Watch History. It should be fairly prominent on the page, ensuring easy navigation. Clicking on this will bring you to a screen that details your entire viewing history on Amazon Prime Video. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to revisit something you've already watched, or simply understand your viewing habits. Now you should see a list of all the videos or movies you've previously watched. Each entry in this list will have an associated delete option situated nearby. Carefully go through your list and decide which items you'd like to remove from your history. Clicking on the delete option next to any title will remove it from your watch history. This action is immediate, so be sure to only delete entries you're certain about. Remember that clearing your watched history not only helps in organizing your account, but can also affect the recommendations Amazon makes for you. If you've cleared certain items you prefer not to influence your suggested content, the recommendations may better reflect your current interests. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to clear your viewing history on Amazon Prime Video. Keep these steps handy anytime you feel the need to freshen up your profile. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.